Are you looking to connect your system.io account with ConvertKit? Then watch this video till the end, because in this video I am going to show you that how you can connect both the tools and how you can automate all the leads that you are collecting in your system.io account to be updated into your ConvertKit account. So let's just dive deep into the video. Hello everyone, my name is Rishabh Jain. I'm a funnel marketing coach, and my mission with this channel is to help you to build your coaching business by tapping the power of sales and marketing funnels. So, how we can connect both the tools together? Let's just see. So, first, so what I'm going to do, first of all, you have to be ready with all the three accounts. So basically, if you are collecting data in your system.io account, like you have created the landing page in your system, because system.io is a tool which gives you the function to build sales funnels, which gives you the function to do email marketing, and which gives you the function to also create membership sites. Okay, so suppose you have created a funnel with the help of system.io account, and now you want the data to be into your ConvertKit account as well. Even though the tool system.io itself is give you the option to do email marketing, but maybe you are already using ConvertKit and you want to continue with ConvertKit, or maybe you want one more tool uh, as a backup to do the email marketing and to collect the data, whatever may be the reason. But if you want to connect both the tools, so mainly the process is what the tool that I'm going to use to connect both the tools is Pabbly Connect. This is the tool that I'm going to use. So basically, both the tools cannot be connected directly, but yes, you can connect it with the help of the tools like Zapier, tools like Pabbly Connect. So I am going to use Pabbly Connect for this tutorial. um, this is a great tool, and I have like grabbed the deal, lifetime deal. So basically I am using this tool. uh, so let's just see that how we can do that. So mainly what you need to do, uh, first of all, you have to create a funnel. And suppose you have a lead generation funnel where you are collecting data. This is the new funnel that I have created, and now what I want the leads to be automatically updated to my ConvertKit account. So basically this is my ConvertKit account. Now I want to connect both the tools. So what I will do, you will go to funnel. So basically you will log into your system account, you will go to funnels, and once you are into the funnels, you will click the funnel that you want to be connected and the data you want passed to ConvertKit. Now once you are here, what you need to do, you need to click this tab, automation rules, and you have to add a new rule. So basically I have already added a new rule, but uh, uh, okay, let's just do it from the beginning. So let's just delete. Okay, so let's just delete this rule, and now this is a blank. So basically you, when you will land here, you will see the page like this. Now you have to, what you need to do, need to add the rule. Okay, so we have to select the trigger. So basically the trigger is the funnel step form subscribed, means when someone actually subscribed the form, someone fills the form, then we want to take, then we want some action to take place. So let's just select the trigger, and now let's just select the action. So the first action that I want is, I want to subscribe them to a campaign. Okay, this is the one first thing that I want. So I will choose my campaign. This is the campaign that I want. This is the first thing. Okay, this is what I want. But now one more thing I want that the data to be passed to Pabbly Connect, so that the Pabbly will connect, pass the same data to ConvertKit. And how we can do that? So for that, first of all, we have to go to my Pabbly Connect account. So we are in now Pabbly Connect. What I need to do, once you will log in to this tool, So basically you can log into this tool, you can create a free account in this tool. It gives you some free automation workflows as well. So for free task every month that you can use. So and if you want, they have a lifetime deal going on as well. You can grab the tool for the lifetime deal as well. So what I will do, I will just give the link in the description. You can check out the link of all the tools. But if you want to create the account in Pabbly Connect, you will get the first link in the description to create the account in Pabbly Connect. So once you have created the account in the Pabbly Connect, you will be in this area, and here what you need to do, you need to click this button, create workflow, and now you have to give the name to this workflow. So I am just going to give it the name systeme to convertkit. Okay, this is what the mine. Okay, um, okay, this is the name. And also I'm going to add the name of my funnel. So basically it's a 7-step guide. This is the funnel, because I have already created it for one more funnel. So now I want to see the difference, and for that I have given the name of the funnel as well. Now when you click the button create, it will take you to this screen. So in this screen, as you can see, there are two things. Okay, there are two things mainly. The first one is trigger and the second one is action. So what we want the trigger. We want when a particular event happened, this particular action should take place. This is what our objective is. This is how these tools works. Okay, so basically what we want the trigger to happen in system.io account. Okay, what kind of trigger? The trigger is basically when someone is filled up the form. When someone is filled up the form, when someone submitted the data, that is the trigger. So what I need to do, I need to select the tool in which the trigger will happen. So basically the tool is system, and now we have to select the trigger event. So the trigger event is when just subscribe to a form. This is the event. Okay, this is the event that will happen, and then we want some action to take place. Okay, so basically they will give you this URL. This is called webhook, and the use of the webhook is to capture the data. Okay, now what this particular URL will do, when we add this URL to our landing page, that whenever someone subscribe to the form, this particular webhook will capture the data and pass the data to Pabbly Connect. And now what will happen, the Pabbly Connect will pass the same data to ConvertKit, because we will add the tool ConvertKit in the action, and also we will add what we want to happen inside ConvertKit. Okay, so let's just see. Okay, it's going to be too technical. If it's going to be too technical, don't worry. It's not that difficult. It's going to be very easy. Let me just explain it to you. So basically what you will do, you will just copy this tool, and then copy this URL, and then what you will do, you will simply go to this go to your funnel, this automation rules tab, and now we have already added one action. Now we want to add one more action, and when we click this button add action, you can see there is an option send webhook. Just select this, and you will get this box. You have to paste the URL that you get inside your Pabbly in here, and you will save the rule. So basically what we did, we have just added the webhook in our landing page. So now webhook is ready to capture the data. Now what we need to do, we need to just go here. You have to click here, and once you have clicked here, you can see it's saying waiting for webhook response. So now what we need to do, we need to we need to go to our incognito window. We have to open our landing page, the landing page that we are going to capture the data. And now I'm going to submit it. So let's do it. Suppose I have given some random name and email ID. Okay, this is some random name and email ID I'm filling here, and I have submitted it. Okay, Okay, so now, okay, we have submitted the data basically. So now get let's just get back to the tool here, and you can see that the tool have captured the data, right? You can see the tool has already captured the data, Jimmy, the email ID with, right? So now what you need to do, you need to simply do the action. Okay, so for that we will choose ConvertKit. The data is already inside our Pabbly Connect account, and now I want the data to be passed to ConvertKit. So we will choose the app ConvertKit in the action, and now we'll choose the event. So what we want that the when this data to be added to a list, basically, right? We want to add it to the list. So what we will do, we will see the options, and okay, so we want tag the subscriber. Okay, we want to tag the subscriber, we want to add the subscriber to the tag. This is what we want. Okay, so now what we will do, we will connect both the tools. Okay, okay, we will connect our ConvertKit account. So I have already added my ConvertKit account. As you can see, my ConvertKit account is already added. So what I will do, I will do save. Okay, now it will ask me, it will show me, it will tell me to map the data. So what I will do, I will click on email field, and I will do, I will click here, and then scroll down and see where is email ID. Okay, so this is email ID, just click email ID. Now click name, click system.io, scroll down again and see where is the name. Just click when you will find the name, and now the mapping is done. Okay, name and email address, the both the data we are collecting. Suppose if you are collecting some more data, you can map that data as well. Okay, and once the mapping is done, now what you need to do, you need to simply save and send test request. Okay, click this button, save and send test request, and once you will do this, you have to go to your ConvertKit account. Okay, basically just go to your ConvertKit account and just refresh it. Okay, and now you will be able to see, let me just show you. So you can see this particular thing, Jimmy 345 at the rate Gmail. The email ID is already like updated into my ConvertKit account, right? And also the tag is added. This is the tag, 5-step funnel guide, and the tag is added. Okay, this is what we want to achieve, right? We want the data when someone filled our form that we have created, when someone filled the form on a landing page that we have created with the help of system.io, the data should be in our ConvertKit account, and now you can see that we got the data here. So this is how it will work completely on automation. The only thing that you needed is particular this tool. So basically now what we will do, we will click save, and it's done, it's completely done. Nothing need to do, nothing else you need to do. It will work completely on automation. When someone will fill the form, fill the form in your landing page, the data will be automatically updated into your ConvertKit account. You don't need to do anything manually, and this is what I really liked about the automations and the tools like Pabbly and Zapier. So uh, let me know in the comment, what do you think, and did you find this particular video useful? Let me know in the comment, just type useful so that I will be able to know. I just want to interact with you and know exactly, are you finding the video useful or not. Okay, so that's all. I think that this is what we want to cover today, and we have got the clarity basically, and we now we know exactly how to do it. So just go and connect both the tools together and enjoy. So that's all for this video. If you really like the video, just subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and also don't forget to press the like button. And also, if you want to know that how to create a lead generation funnel in just 30 minutes with system.io, watch this video on the top. And if you want to know how to how to start affiliate marketing, watch this video in the bottom. And that's all for this video. Stay awesome, stay blessed. Thank you very much.